Author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
If a fire alarm goes off, there's a sense of urgency amongst, or should be, amongst everyone in that office, in that building, right?
Yeah.
Sudden sense of urgency. If there's no sense of urgency, what do you think might happen? We question the formally made decision.
Yeah.
Don't we? So, now think about some of the team meetings that you guys have had. You have a team meeting. You believe you've reached consensus. You believe that that there has been a decision formed. You believe that there's been buy-in. But a week later, you've got someone saying, "I think we should put this on hold." Okay. Now, that's going to burst your bubble, especially if you've been the instigator, or the sole instigator of the change.
Yeah.
You're now going to have to work with that conflict by the way of exercising your negotiation skills. But you also need to recognize in advance, okay, of team meeting number 2, that this may happen. Which means that you need to prepare for this conversation. And the key here is to build what I like to refer to as the skill of anticipation. What do you think the reason would be for your people to deny any sense of urgency to some of those key areas of change that are required? Shift the context to a member of your team who's in denial about something, whatever it is. Some particular facts, statistics, some financial records that haven't been maintained properly. It's glaringly obvious to you, but they're in denial of it. No, it wasn't me that did it. No, I believe it's absolutely fine when it so obviously isn't. What, from your opinion, why do you think, just go with your gut, that they are doing this?
They're probably guilty.
Okay, so guilt. If a person recognises that there's any pain associated with getting it done now, they will come up with every excuse in the book not to do it.
Yeah.
When a person is in denial of something, it's because they believe it could open Pandora's box. Besides which, do you remember that word I used before, settle? And this is a conversation that I have with other successful companies that are either SMEs or even conglomerates that, and yet there are stakeholders that don't want to change, because better the devil you know, like we said before.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Exactly. It's going to involve too much work, and now we're back to that the resource of energy again.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it means that what you're proposing, Walker, that I'm going to have to now leave my desk every day at 7 instead of 5, then I'm not interested. Or if it means that I'm now going to have to give myself a headache on this project every day until it's completed, I'm not interested. So that's back to the energy conversation. But it's not big, so therefore it's not because it isn't urgent. It may well be an urgent requirement of the organisation, but you've got people now resistant to the change and in denial. See, two things here: they're resistant to the change and they're in denial that it's urgent because of this.
Yeah.
You get that?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.